What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a really long time since we made a video, but I got a bunch of cool things that are happening on the car, so let me show you what's going on. As you know, I have a 95 Mustang, and a couple things have been happening lately. So I went ahead and mocked up and installed the front mount intercooler. I've added a nice little touch there as well too. That's just a mock-up turbo, just kind of see where I want to go. But you guys haven't seen the swap that I'm doing yet, so oh wait, huh? How'd this get in here? Yeah, so it's definitely not going to be a Ford motor. It's going to be a LS motor, 5.3, built 5.3, single 88 and TH400, so it's gonna be pretty rowdy. So you've already seen the videos of me kind of posting about it or whatever, but I also got some nice goodies too. Got a good old fire sale from Freedom Parts Outlet, if you guys want to check them out right here. But I got a K member for it, some strange adjustable coilovers for the front, switching it to A-arms, and I got some QA1 rear shocks, some H&R springs. So it's gonna be nice and light up here. A little bit more room for the old LF swap. But yeah, we're super excited to get this thing done and see what's gonna happen with it. And of course, it wouldn't be Nick if we didn't buy another car. This thing is sick, dude. It's a TDI hatchback. What you doing, dude?
What up?
Just out here buying more cars, huh?
Left and right, man. I can't stop.
Sold your Mustang, got some cash monies, and he needed a daily.
Yeah, same day or same night, went out and bought this little 2000 Volkswagen TDI.
Dude, it's sick.
Pretty sweet. It's on bags, some ABS Model 6 wheels, EGR delete, and it's got some other bolt-ons and stuff. It's just a good daily. It's not too bad.
You should start it up, let the people hear it.
Oh yeah.
Dude, it's a coal monster, bro. Is
Yeah,
she aired
cool.
out?
No, not yet.
Ooh-wee. Dude, talk about a nice unit right here. Shit, this thing sits right on the frame. The whole reason you got this was just for fuel economy, right?
Yeah, literally. I got rid of the Mustang and I was like, all right, well, I need a daily that's like semi-good on gas, but that's still kind of fun. This thing's not crazy fast or anything, but I mean, it makes cool noises and it's pretty comfortable to drive around in. So, I mean, I've only had it for a day so far. Drove it like an hour and a half and gas gauge didn't even move, so.
That's what matters.
Yeah, a little part taller.
Hell yeah.
That thing's clean enough for what it is.
He's been polishing it up all day.
Yeah.
Definitely hit that like button right now if you guys like this. It's pretty sick, dude. Other than Nick buying cool cars, this is a pretty nice little unit here. We're going to be finishing the turbo kit on this. It's got a Garrett GT30 on it. Beautiful manifold and everything like that. So you're going to see some videos on this getting done. But we got a bunch of stuff going on with the shop right now. So yeah, I hope you guys are gonna have a good holiday and everything. I just wanted to touch base with you guys, make sure everybody's doing well. But yeah, hit that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good holiday, guys.